सर तुम्ही आता सांताक्रूज तुमचे ऑफिस बेगिनात बेगीन इनॉग्रेशन करपाचें आसा.
So this was my office which was closed for quite some time. So I think what is as a party and as a minister in Tiswadi Taluka. Okay, I am the only minister as far as Tiswadi Taluka is concerned. So I said let us open this office in Santa Cruz. Let us help these people as well.
सो अशें म्हणटा की तुमी ह्या फाटी सांताक्रूजच्यान लढटले कित्याक तुमी हेजे पयलीं म्हटल्यार की बीजेपी टिकेट येतली म्हणून.
No, as far as the candidate of Santa Cruz constituency is concerned, it will be decided by the party. Here I am here only to serve the party's interest. It is very clear.
तुम्ही म्हणिल्लें न्हय हेजे पयलीं की ह्या फाटी बीजेपीचे सीट येतले म्हणून सांगा सांताक्रूज.
No, BJP seat येतले and I am confident that BJP seats will come here. See, if you go to see Talegaon earlier, BJP never won in Talegaon any time. It is once we joined basically BJP, that is how BJP basically came to power in Talegaon. Santa Cruz, what happened till today, no BJP basically seat. So let us change that trend, no? Because I want BJP seat to come here in Talegaon.
सो ह्या फाटी तिसवाडेचो भार तुमच्या हेजेर दिला की
ना माझे हेजेर दिना. आय एम वर्किंग इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पार्टी. भार तसलो कांय ना. आय एम नॉट अ लीडर. I am a worker. So I am working in the interest of the party. So I feel what happened, we need to strengthen the base of the party. So as I represented this constituency back in 2012. So I have got to connect with the people. So let me serve these people as well. So simple as it.
सो बीजेपीचा आमदारूच हांगा स्थानीक आसा. सो तुमी हांगासर येयला म्हणून
आमदार स्थानीक आमदार आनी आमचे क्लॅश नाच. There is no clash here. We are working in the interest of the party. Everyone has got to work in the interest of the party. Who gets the ticket at the end, that only party will decide. We are not here to decide for the party's.
सो बाबूश रुदाल पण तुम्ही वांगडात आसा आनी वांगडात काम करता पार्टी खातीर.
I am working in the interest of the party. Let me talk in very clear terms. For to see that the party BJP flag flies in Santa Cruz this time.
So this time
it is very good. It is 100% sure that BJP flag will fly in Santa Cruz this time.